I'm going to show you how to get out of immersive mode in Parsec. So first, if you're connected to a host or a client, the first thing you want to do is hold down Control, Shift, and then press M, and this should toggle on or off the immersive mode. And the second way to disable it completely is to go to the settings and then go to the client tab from here, scroll down, and when you find immersive mode, make sure to turn it off because this sometimes can prevent sending hotkey combinations such as Alt Tab. If you disable it, it should fix that issue. And the last way to do that is to toggle full screen on or off by holding down Alt and Enter while you're in the Parsec window. And this should switch between the full screen, immersive, and windowed mode. Or if you've disabled it from the settings, you just need to restart Parsec and then reconnect to the host machine or device. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.